How to apply for a Best Buy credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Best Buy credit card and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Best Buy credit card. Open it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here, you'll find the option of apply now. Click on it. Now confirm your information. First name, last name, email address and phone number. If you want to update it, click on the option of update your information and do that. After you check this, click on confirm and continue. Best Buy credit card application. To apply for a credit card, you have to fill this. First up, provide your personal information, then click on continue. On the next page, you will need to provide your address information. Now you have to provide your income details, residence status, monthly housing payment, date of birth, total annual net income, social security number, and then click on continue. Once you go through all the process and provide all the details, your application will be successfully submitted. And you have just applied for Best Buy credit card. So this is how you can easily apply for Best Buy credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.